Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve sales strategies with McDonald's, detailed guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will explore how to improve your sales strategies by examining the successful practices. First, analyze McDonald's pricing strategy. Observe how their value menu attracts a wider customer base. Next, consider the importance of brand consistency. McDonald's maintains a recognizable brand image across all locations. Study the way they designed their promotional campaigns. Their marketing messages are simple yet effective, focusing on limited-time offers. Implement a feedback loop to gather customer opinions. McDonald's frequently surveys their customers to adapt their offerings. Look into the power of location. They strategically choose high-traffic areas for maximum visibility. Utilize upselling techniques that McDonald's employs. Encouraging customers to add fries or drinks to their meals increases the average order value. Evaluate their customer service initiatives. Their staff training emphasizes quick service and customer satisfaction. Another key aspect is McDonald's menu innovation. They introduce new items regularly to keep customers interested. Examine how they leverage partnerships. Collaborating with popular brands can enhance credibility and reach. Take note of their community engagement efforts. McDonald's often supports local events, which fosters brand loyalty. Lastly, incorporate technology into your sales strategy. McDonald's uses mobile apps and self-service kiosks to streamline the ordering process. By adopting these strategies, you can effectively enhance your own sales approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.